Welcome to the vlog. I've just been to the shops. I've just got to work out which toothpaste is finished. There's still a bit in that as well. Yeah, we need to finish up this toothpaste. I'll put that spares. Wanted to show you guys, but since you guys have seen it in the background, I popped into POUNDLAND and I got the most nicest towels for the youngest two kids, because they were at that stage where they were just using baby towels. You know those baby towels with the hood in the corner of the towel? Yeah, I was like, no, they're too big for this. It's not wrapping around them. Popped into POUNDLAND and this one was reduced to £7. I think both of them were £7. You can't see because it's quite dark, but over here it's like a beigey stripes, and obviously it's got a frill and it's just normal black and white. But like, I just like it. The beige sort of looks pink at the same time, but I feel like it's still boyish. So this one's for my son, and this one I got for my daughter, the baby. And yeah, this one I loved it. It was just green with like the pink detail, and on the other side it's like green. So you see here green, and then on this side, let me turn around. See, white and green. I like that detail. So this was my pillow. Then I picked up some hooks. I went into my local hardware store. I think you call it DIY store? Yeah, my local DIY store. Picked up some hooks for there, because some of the hooks that I had previously were just broken. Usually with hooks, I'll just go into Wilko. But like, obviously Wilko is now online and like very Pacific areas. And I remembered this DIY store. Like, this is like, yeah, it's like a home store, but it's like one of those independent home store. We've had it for like years on our high street, and then lately I've just been like, oh, I think they might sell it, and like everything I need, even up to a new socket for my vacuum. I had to come downstairs because everyone kept looking for me upstairs. So because I'm downstairs, they know I'm downstairs. What I was trying to say is, it's really nice about the DIY shop. It's really nice to have like a shop on the high street where you can get like a majority of things you need around the home. Like, I really, if that store ever shuts down, which I hope not, because I feel like it's really popular, they have like everything I need for the home, apart from food. But like, if you need a fan, if you need screws, usually it was always Wilko I would go to on my high street, because but they were there even when Wilko was there, and I would rarely go in there. But it's nice to have a DIY shop nearby that you can just pop into and get everything you want, and like mend things around the home. So that's what I was saying. Like, every time I go in there, I like notice, oh, they sell this. Oh my goodness, I need this. It's so nice. So, small businesses. We should shop in small businesses more, actually. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I got from WH Smith. I love WH Smith, but I rarely shop there. And if I do shop in there, it's usually buying books. I bought Marcus Rashford book last year. That was on a deal for £3.49. Yeah, Marcus Rashford footballer. He does like kids school books. I saw another one as well in Sainsbury's. That was £4. I might pick that one up as well. In WH Smith, a huge dictionary. I've been meaning to get a dictionary because we had the small one, but it cut. Literally scanned it, and I was like, is it actually £3? But it says at the back, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, 25. It was 25, and then it must have went down to 7, and then £3. There was 2 left on the shelf. I had to get it. Like, oh, look at that! I got so excited about a dictionary. And then another thing I got was this one, and you know what, the file holder organizer. This is £2 as well, but this was in like the stationery that's been reduced section. There's still stuff in there. Yeah, such nice stuff, like drawer organizers. That I recommend going into WH Smith. They have sections that are reduced, and you need to check them out. This one was in just a normal like kids revision books section. So go in there, like look around, and you'll see stuff. Cookbooks. I saw a couple of cookbooks just reduced to like normal £7. Yeah, I am going to start buying cookbooks. I'm really into cooking lately. I'm going to start buying cookbooks, you guys. Yeah. But anyways, I'm going to make egg. I need to eat. She didn't have breakfast. Now, my goal this evening was to sort out a new place to put these DVDs because the baby keeps taking them out and throwing them onto the floor and they're just not working in this storage space. So I'm moving them to the cabinet. Now, I really recommend going down to Poundland and picking up the Astonish white vinegar, white flower spray. This smells so fantastic. I am currently using it to wipe the photo frames that I had on the wall because they're moving to the display cabinet too. You're going to see what I'm going to do with them afterwards. If you are looking for a cleaning spray that smells so fantastic and just leaves a lovely scent around the home, this is the one to get. It's £1. Even one of my kids actually commented and said it smells so nice. So you know you're onto something when your kids are commenting and saying it's good. So I seriously recommend getting this. This is probably like my fifth spray that I've picked up. So yeah, I've been picking up a lot. Like, it's my go-to. It just smells so nice and it cleans and wipes glass really, really well. I absolutely love it. And also, I wanted to point out something I've learned with like slow living is only tackle tasks in a slow pace. Because, yeah, just like I'm doing this evening, I was like, I need to fix these picture frames on the wall. I don't like them on the wall anymore. They don't look right. And I really need to find a new storage for these DVDs because then I'll just end up with a bunch of DVDs that don't work. And what was the point of me buying them? But yeah, this evening was my task. And I was like, if I've accomplished that, I am fine. I have been productive. Now I am moving the picture frames in front of the DVD, so they're slightly like hiding away the DVDs in the background. Yeah, I just really feel like these picture frames will look better as a set of 3 in the cabinet. And this wall, I'll be removing the remaining stuff to different places, and you'll see in the vlogs as well to come. Now, after this, it was bedtime, and yeah, my room was a mess. This is me, like, I need to do this, I need to fix this before I go to sleep. To be honest, I can't go to sleep until I move some of this stuff, especially the stuff that was on the bed. So, let's go. It was the following day, and this evening I had to obviously fix the living room, and these power books have been here for like a few days now, and it was just time to put them away and do a little cleaning session. And it was so perfect because the little ones were watching Despicable Me 4, and a few of the older kids went to get a haircut, so it was quiet to do a lovely peaceful cleaning session.